Hi, this is Antminer Repair. Tonight's videos, I've been exploring a board with only 18 ASIC found, and this is the chip after the 18th ASIC. And I found something interesting on the chip, and I'm not sure if it's serious or not. So if you look right here, there's this yellow type of goop, and I haven't removed it. Little bit concerned. This was a board that I was working on that I had to fix a temperature sensor at chip 5? No, 7. 5. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah, 6 or 7. But then it started giving me this cannot find, only found 18 ASICs. So I found this yellow goop. And what I wanted to mention is if you get the chips too hot, especially when you're trying to put them on, this yellow goop can come and flow out of the chip. So we're going to explore this a little bit. Actually, it's not the reason why I think only 18 ASICs found. I'm not sure what went on here, but if you like this content, please hit subscribe. We have a great Discord channel on repairing Antminer products, and there's a couple other products in there people are trying to drum up support for. So if you have a miner, an ASIC miner, come join our Discord group. The link is in the description of this video. And also there's a little bell there. If you hit that, you'll be notified when I put out new videos. So I've been on vacation for a week and I've got some new equipment, and hopefully it's not drowning out my audio here, but got some pretty exciting stuff for replacing chips coming up. All right, so let's get to tonight's video. I want to look to see if this is just something else or if this is part of the chip, and I don't know. So I'm going to try to take it off and maybe we can zoom in and take a look. I measured the voltage of this chip and they were fine. It's pushing out the required voltages that it needs to. Got some other problems with voltages, but kind of looks like it's just surface. I'm going to zoom into that baby really close. Let's take a look here, see how close I can get in there. Might have just been surface stuff. Kind of weird. Almost looks like I've been here before. Maybe I have. I do have that helping hands plate that's yellow, but awfully odd that this was like all over the place. So I'm going to try to clean it out. Clean this guy off. So anyway, while I was looking at this, I immediately focused in on that. But I think I found the problem where it's finding only 18. So if you follow the pattern, and I'm doing it backwards off the microscope, so if you follow the pattern out to the test lines, there's a solder ball, by the way. Can't talk. So sorry, people call me in the middle of these things. So as we go along, I'm following this. Check this out. I got a train wreck that happened here. So I'm going to pull out a little bit, focus up. So this is just a lesson. Always check your resistors. It looks like I'm missing a few, and this dude right there got really messed up. So it looks like I have to do some work here. And if I get my tweezers, I just rearranged my whole desktop here, and I'm still having problems finding things. But let's take a look here if this guy's even loose. Oh yeah, this guy's really loose. So I can try to put him back on. I think I will. Maybe I'll do that first. These two are just plain missing, so I got to put some new ones. So I think I'll do that first. So I've got a new soldering gun, and I've got, let's take a look. Let's do my resistor trick here, and let's at least get this one on. Move him out of the way. And then I'll retest this board. He probably should be good. It's really weird working backwards on the video, so I'm gonna move him out of the way. Stop, get off there. Okay, let's rub a little bit of flux there. I might try to do all three of these guys at once, maybe. My flux is getting a little dried out. I'm gonna go ahead and, these are kind of dirty. I'm gonna flux them. Jeez, it's really dirty. Just gonna rub a little flux around there too. Okay. I've got to get 2 new resistors for that. So I can get 2 to fall out here. Just a second. There's 1, 2. All right. Let's see if we can do a 3-hit thing here. So, all right. So I've got this dude. Let's put him over here. I'll position him in a second. And I've got this dude. Come on. I don't know if I can do 3 at once. I think I can. Hot air. So I'll put him up here. And then I'm still missing that guy. I know I had another one pop out of here. Just a second. Let me find him. These guys are so tiny. So is that one sitting right there? Yeah. That one goes up there. Still missing him. Where'd he go? I just set him aside. Here's one. I'll just put him on there. Okay, right there somewhere. Stay. All right, let me get my handy dandy needle. Try to poke these guys down. So this is the first one. I'm going to try to push him on. I just kind of push him down onto the solder as close as possible. Pretty close. This guy. So I'm using the head of a pin here. And then push that guy on. Okay, so I'm going to set my iron to about 350. Let's see here. It's about 356. I've got my really, really small nozzle on. And we're just going to slowly warm these guys up. And hopefully that will let this chip be found and it didn't get blown up. That's what I'm hoping. So kind of I've got a new fume extractor too. Hopefully I don't have to smell this stuff. All right, so just kind of heat these guys up. I'm going to move it back just a touch so I can see it. Okay. Oh, I see the other resistor sitting over there. I got to pick it up too. Makes me think I'm soldering in the wrong place. This board got brutalized somehow. All right, so I'm just going to heat these guys up. I might have to go up to 14. We'll see. Start with these guys. Kind of get them warm. I'll up the temp just a touch. Oh, I forgot to turn down my airflow. It's a brand new system. Sorry it's so noisy. Okay. Kind of like my quiet one better. I might even have 2 up there on my desk. All right, so let's just get these guys nice and toasty warm. Resting against the heat sink. Getting closer. Just concentrating on that one right now. Wow, it's getting hot on my finger. A second, I'm going to go up a little higher when I'm not looking. Okay, so I'm at 415 now. This is what worked last time for the last resistor I did. Saw that one resolder? Come on, baby. You can do it. I saw the solder melt, so the resistor set. Let's do these two guys. 415 seems to work pretty good. There's one. I think the other one's set, but I'm not sure. Has to be, since they're all melted. Go at them sideways real quick here. All right, I'm gonna let that go. And poke at them, make sure they set okay. This guy's a little bit off, but I'm not gonna worry about it too much. He's kind of sitting down on the pad, but I think he's touching. These guys look pretty good. They all seem to be on. I can't, flick them off. All right, turn up the fan so that guy cools off. And okay, so I'll test this board, and if this isn't the problem, I'm gonna go explore that yellow paint a little more. Could have been something I touched before, but I'm not sure. But make sure when you're looking at examining your boards, and step one on looking for 0 ASICs or any missing ASICs, in my opinion, is get that heat sink off and look for solder balls. Inspect your resistors and capacitors. A missing capacitor will probably still allow the thing to run, but a shorted capacitor will not. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. And join that Discord channel if you're going to fix your boards. It's invaluable. Thank you.